Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome tab size. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I want to do is open up your Google Chrome. Then from here in the URL section, type in Chrome flags and then hit enter. And then you'll be brought to this page here. Now once you're here, it will say have a little search box and it'll say search flags. Type in tab scrolling. Make sure to spell it correctly, and then from here they should be all set to default. So enables tab strip to scroll left and right when full, Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS. So click on that. We can enable it. We can enable with tab shrink to pin tab width, tab shrink to medium width, tab shrink to a large width, or tabs don't shrink. So just choose which one you want to use, and then once you've chosen one, so say I want to do tab shrink to medium width, go ahead and click on relaunch. That's going to relaunch your Google Chrome, and then it'll be set to what you set it to inside here.